Well, hello everybody. Today we're looking at a pair of sunglasses, and you know I like sunglasses. These ones are the RockFish Pro lineup of glasses, and these are from Apex Lenses. Now we have another product coming up from Apex Lenses, probably in a video, maybe tomorrow or the next day. And they were nice enough to send me a hat because I like hats. I do. Anyways, this is sunglasses for, I don't want to say they're specifically designed for like fishermen, people that are on the water, let's say. They say for all you anglers out there. I don't know what an angler is, but you probably do. Anyways, these are the Kenai, Kenai. How do you pronounce that? I don't know. Fishing sunglasses. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. Pretty standard little sunglass box, right? I'm guessing this is your logo for Apex lenses. Maybe it's that way. I think I had it upside down. That makes way more sense, right? Apex lenses. Yeah. Nice box, simple, right? You have your Scottsdale, I'm guessing Arizona, clarity unrivaled. Seems good. Inside, we are going to get the glasses, which I've taken out already. Okay, taken them out already. And you're going to get a nice little cleaning case and little thing here that says scan me. Now I didn't scan anything, and I don't think I have my phone anywhere here. I do have my phone, so now I'm curious what this scan me is. Anyways, let's take a look. It probably just takes us to their website to tell us more information about the glasses, is what I'm thinking. Owner's guide. Yeah, there you go. Right, clarity unrivaled. So it talks about possibly like your warranty and things like that. It just that's it, right? You can download maybe the owner's guide. Now you know. Now you know. Anyways, again, it does come usually with in this little plastic bag thing here. And you get little protectors, of course, on the arms. Now, I have to say, these are pretty stylish, right? So let's look at these glasses, shall we? So first impressions. If you look at these, they look sharp. Yes, the matte gray frame here feels rugged. I have to say, feels good. Doesn't feel like cheap. It's lightweight, which I also really like. So, you know, if you're going to be wearing these all day, that's nice rubber on the nose area, which is good. They have like nice flex to them, which is good. I don't think you're going to break these, but if you put them on, polarized, I can tell because I can't see my screen anymore. It's gone because of that polarized lens. Have a nice feel. I can hear very nice, like a nice rubber, which is nice. Yeah, those are put together nice, and a nice rubber, like I said, nose brim. Yeah, that's all right. Plus, you have to look at that orange and gray. I chose the orange and gray because I was like, I think that's gonna look snazzy, and I was correct. Super nice. Yes, I think that is super stylish, super functional. So these lenses here are the Polarized Pro, which means that, of course, if you're wearing these on the water, they're going to definitely help cut all kinds of glare, which will be quite nice. Doesn't matter if you're, again, for those of you that are going to use these fishing with that glare, you'd be able to see kind of through that top layer of water and be able to see any fish, I'm guessing, just under the surface. For me, as someone who just likes to wear sunglasses, I like polarized. It just helps neutralize all those reflections that you and I may see, which I actually really like, right? So I do like that. Plus, they actually have a decent level of darkness. You know, some sunglasses you get, I find you put them on and they're either like really, really dark or they're just not dark at all. But these, yeah, it's kind of nice in between, which is good. If I were to compare these, let's say, to a pair of Oakleys, now I have two pairs of Oakleys right now. Of course, Oakleys are not inexpensive. The last pairs of Oakleys, both pairs of Oakleys, probably came in around the $200 mark for both of them. These substantially cheaper, which is good. So if you look at Oakleys, this is primarily who I would compare these to. Both, you know, would be known. I see Oakley is definitely known for their sporty designs, for sure. But as we've seen, sporty design. Yes? Oh, yes. Both Oakley's and these, the Kenai sunglasses, both very good looking. But I would say that these have some nice features, I would think, especially for those that are using these, well, for whatever, but especially for their purpose, which is things like, I guess, fishing. First off, the orange lenses would give better contrast in bright conditions. And they have what's called a hydrophobic coating. And this ensures that, if you get splashes of water on them and stuff like this, that it just rolls off. So again, this could be really good for those that are fishing. You're in a boat, things are splashing, you're trying to catch your fish, and it's like whatever, right? Got it in a net. I don't know. I don't fish. Useful. But someone like me who uses these when I'm motorcycle riding, again, I get caught in the rain all the time. So knowing that the rain's going to just kind of slide off, I think that's fantastic, right? Plus, if you look at weight-wise, these come in, I don't know about all Oakleys, but Oakleys that are in the same kind of style, these would come in lighter, right? So they're lighter, and I would think, based on their purpose, probably more rugged, right? So a little bit more durable. Now, I don't know what it's like in regards to replacement parts, but from previous experience, especially with Oakley, even though I still buy them, you know what? Getting replacement parts for them isn't necessarily easy either. So I don't know what to tell you, right? So I wanted this to be a real fast video. I don't know if it is, but if I were to want to buy a pair of sunglasses, these are just like 4 ounces. They're super sexy looking. They feel really nice. They got a nice rubber on the side, nice rubber on the nose. They feel nice and durable, right? Not a lot of pressure on my head right here, but they don't feel like they're going to fall off, which I really like. I think these sunglasses might, really be a good option, especially for someone that's just looking for a pair of sunglasses. Not gas station sunglasses for price, but something a bit higher. And getting, I would say, that similar quality in construction and optics that you would get from like a flagship or a higher price sunglass. I like them. I think I'm going to wear these when I'm motorcycle riding for sure. I have a lot of sunglasses to choose because, as many of you know, I have 2 big addictions, one being shoes and the other being sunglasses. So I think these are all right. These are all right. Anyways, I'll leave links to where you can take a look at these as well as some of the other Apex glasses. And I'll see you guys next video. Later.